Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share my homemade pedicure routine with you. I do it every 15 days. If you are not lazy like me, you can do it every week as well. If you like this video, please like and share, and do let me know if you have any comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please, and hit the bell button as well for more videos. Before I start my pedicure routine, I would like to remove my nail polish, which I applied 4 days back with the help of nail polish remover cotton. I like to remove with cotton because since I'm using the cotton nail polish remover, it's not making my nail too much dry and not breaking out. It has enough moisture to keep my nail healthy. So I would like to remove with that. You can check in the pharmacy as well, or simply in the cosmetics stores or any groceries you can find it. This is acetone free, so I like it. So I'm using it. And you're not supposed to keep your nail polish more than 7 days. Please make sure you remove your nail polish or any nail paint before 7 days. The next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some water in a bucket and then pour 2 or 3 tablespoons of my favorite shampoo. You can add any shampoo, and I need like 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, which I'm gonna pour into the water and stir thoroughly. So I need half cut lemon as well, which I'm gonna add there. So I'll just mix them thoroughly. You squeeze the lemon and keep the lemon in the water, leave it there. Okay, now you're gonna soak your feet for 5 to 7 minutes in the warm water. After around 7 minutes, you're gonna take brush, any kind of feet brush, and you're gonna start brushing your feet from the heel part where you can find the crack or dead cell area. The dead cells are very softened now and can be removed very easily. You need to brush even the toe parts in the front properly. Not in the upper part, only the down parts. Make sure you remove all the dead cell and dead skins from your feet, from especially from the heel parts. It becomes softened now, heel part, from the toe parts and the sidewise part. Do it in a circular way, and take a brush for the nail or the front part. Brush it properly. Make sure all the dead cell and cuticles gone away from your nail. be careful. The nails are very soften in this condition, so make sure they don't break now. When I'm done with brush, I'm gonna take the left pieces of lemon and then rub my nail, each and every part of my nail, so it gonna helps to clean it more. We'll be making scrub. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, or you can add it a bit more, 2 tablespoons you can take it, and lime, half cut lime. I'm gonna squeeze it properly. And mix it. You can mix it with the brush, with the help of brush. When you're done with the mixing, you can apply the scrub into the feet. The way I apply. You can even apply with your hand, no issue on that. The scrub we make is very nice, totally natural home remedy. All of the ingredient we mix in that has antioxidant agent and anti-sunburn agent, which helps to lighten and brighten our skin like a baby's skin. Lemon, of course everyone know, which has vitamin C and citric acid, which help to prevent the cracking and dryness of our heel. It has also strength our nail. And aloe vera, of course everyone know, which is very moisturizing agent, helps to heal the dry skin and keeps our skin moisture all the time. The scrub we make is not only for the feet, you can even use for your body. Before you take a bath, you can apply in your body, leave it for 5 minutes, and you can take a shower and rinse it. For face, I will make it later on. I will make the different video for face, because face skin is very different, so we need to be careful. I'm done with applying the scrub in my feet. I will leave it for 5 to 7 minutes in my feet. Let the ingredient, whatever I use in the scrub, let it work. So after 7 minutes, I will start rubbing my feet in a circular motion, so that I can scrub my feet. Dead cell and all will be removed with the help of that. In a circular motion, I just rub my feet like this way, both of them. And I will be using the same water to wash my feet again. massage the feet properly. The water is still warm for me. I feel very nice after this scrub. The skin is very soft and no dead cell at all. Now I'm using some toothpaste. With the help of toothbrush, I'm gonna use it in my nails, only in the nails, not in other area, so that my nail will again breathe nicely. If there is anything inside my nail, I'm gonna clean it properly. When I'm done with brushing my nails, I will rinse my feet. Okay, I'm done. Okay, now pat dry my feet. When it's perfectly dry, I will use Vaseline. You can use Vaseline, glycerin, or Borolin. I don't believe other moisturizer, so Vaseline is very good nail straightener or very friendly for nail, and it heals cracking area very nicely. My feet become very soft and no dead cell at all. Apply the Vaseline and give perfect, very nice massage to your feet. I feel the blood circulation in my feet very nicely. Apply it to your nail as well, nicely. I will leave my nail for 2-3 hours to breathe it, and then apply base coat before I apply my nail polish. Every time, whenever you are applying any kind of nail polish or any kind of enamel paint, nail paint, if you apply base coat, that will be very friendly. Your nail will be very happy. And then I'd like to apply this color nail polish. You can apply any color. Make sure every time you pedicure your feet, make sure not to apply nail polish for 2-3 hours. Let it breathe. The tips for healthy feet and healthy nails are like you scrub your feet every time you take shower. Before going to bed, wash your feet with warm water and apply moisturizer, Vaseline, whatever you have. And then wear socks during winter season and drink as much as water you can. You saw the difference already before and now, and the feet looks very nice, and even it's very soft. Guys, you can do it every week or minimum like once in a 15 days, and do it in your home and let me know what it happens, how it goes. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any comment, let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye bye.